In this video, I will show you how to remove someone from Google Drive access. To get started, what you want to do is come across to drive.google.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to locate the file or folder that you want to remove someone's access for. Now, there's two ways you can do this. What you can do is manually scroll through and find the file. Once you've done that, come to the right hand side, click onto the three dots over here where it says more actions, and on this menu that comes up, hover over the share option and then click onto share. Now what it's going to do is open up a window and it's going to show everyone that has access to this file or folder. To remove someone's access, just come to the right hand side of their email address, click onto the box here which was going to say like editor or viewer, and you're going to see an option to remove access. So all you need to do is give that a click and that's going to remove their access when you come down and click save at the bottom. Now another way to do this is if you actually come to the search box at the top, in here if you type 2 followed by a colon and then type the name of the email address for the person you want to remove access from, and once you give that a search, this is going to bring up all the files and folders that that person has access to. So this is a much better way if you're struggling to find the file or folder to remove access from, and then all you need to do is the same process. So come to the right hand side, click onto the three dots and then hover over share, click share, and on this window that comes up, click the box and then click onto remove access. Of course, make sure when you do this that you do click the save button at the bottom to apply the changes and remove that person's access. You can see in the bottom left hand corner it says access updated, and if we come back onto share, you will see that person no longer has access to that Google Drive file. So that is how to remove someone from Google Drive access. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Drive and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.